Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School.
Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I am at the moment knee-deep, if it isn't deeper, into the production of a watercolor course for Sketchbook School, which is amazing. It's super exciting, but it's a lot of work. So today I have a Draw Tip Tuesday for you, which is from 2 years ago, but it's still super relevant, and it's about watercolors and how to add some more texture. Have fun!
Here's a tip to prove to you that you don't need any fancy art supplies to make awesome art. Take out your watercolor set and make a watercolor wash with any color that you'd like. You can combine colors and let them pool into each other. And then before it starts drying, cover the wash with wrinkled cling foil. Then let it dry. And if you take it off, you have a very cool background texture to work on. Have fun! If you need more ideas for your sketchbook pages, there's a school for that. It's called Sketchbook School, so head on over to sketchbookschool.com and join one of the classes today.